It's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for your next set of pillows? I have the most cloud-like pillows I have ever owned in this set by Acteb. This is the 4-piece queen set, and I am blown away with how comfortable and soft these pillows are. When I lay my head on these pillows, it is literally like laying down on a cloud. I can't express it any clearer. These are so soft. They just wrap around your head. Ugh, it's amazing. I love that they have the queen size, so it's just a little bit bigger and fills up my whole pillowcase, and it looks extra fluffy when I make my bed and have the pillows on top. Now, when I got these, they were vacuum sealed. I took them out and they looked pretty wimpy. Don't let that fool you. They will fluff up. Give it 24 to 48 hours and those wimpy looking pillows will become these amazing puffs of cloud just for your little head. I love that the cover is a polycotton blend, so you get the durability of the polyester, but you still have the breathability and the softness from the cotton. So if you're looking for your next set of pillows, I highly recommend this set so you get to lay your head on this wonderful cloud like I do every single night. But that's just my point of view.